In this video, I'll show you how to increase video quality in Amazon Prime Video so you can enjoy a clearer and sharper picture. First, open Prime Video and choose the show or movie you want to watch. Once the video starts playing, move your mouse or remote to bring up the controls bar, then click on Options. Here, you'll see 3 quality levels: Good, Better, and Best. Best gives you the highest streaming quality for the clearest picture. Better offers a balance between quality and data usage. Good uses less data but offers lower image quality. Simply select Best if you want the sharpest and smoothest playback. Keep in mind that higher quality uses more data, so choose the option that fits your internet connection and viewing preferences. And that's it, your Prime Video quality settings are now adjusted. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out my other Prime Video tutorials.